I'm Rob Langley from National Australia Bank. I'm an enterprise architect. I look after payments, transaction banking operations and blockchain. I had the pleasure to go through the design centre here in Chennai. Most interesting. I most enjoyed the session and the walkthrough against the entire process. And the thing that struck me more than anything else was this is a proper designed process from the ground up. It's not just here's a new piece of training, a new skill set that we need to take on board and so on, right? It's actually a very interesting initiative, and clearly it maps into not just the changes in the organisation, it maps into the structure of the building, the structure of the company. It's most encouraging to see something that's proliferating through the whole organisation as a cultural change, not just a new training exercise for a new methodology or something like that. And I find that really, really impressive. And I've been most pleased. I've been wanting to get to this site for many, many, many months. And finally here, and it's been fantastic to do that. The processes are great. You know, the Coparis, you know, it's a fantastic designed process. It's all about design thinking, but the process itself here in the organisation is designed, right? It's great. The architecture, and I know Arun Jain is paranoid about making sure the fundamental architecture, not only of the technology, but of the business itself, is actually there and works, you know, because if you have not got a good foundation to do that, then the whole organisation suffers. In this case, clearly it's starting to work, and people want to work here. I can see that. You know, it's fantastic. You know, walking around the floors here, it's a great experience to see the open spaces, to see the different workspaces, to see small teams coming together in their groups of 6 and doing things. It's fantastic. Some of the processes I've also been very impressed in. If you look at, normally when we create projects, we do requirements which are stated, the functionals and non-functionals and things like that. But that's not the problem areas. The problem areas is the unstated requirements. And there's a process here in this whole design process that actually leaches those out, detects those, so that you don't then have assumptions which upset the whole process, or they're overlooked and missed, which is often the cause of failures. And any number of those dimensions around that I find is fascinating, right? And it's a great experience to come here and to see this. Would I recommend this to other parts of my organisation? Absolutely. Would I recommend this to other organisations? Absolutely, because I can see, as I mentioned before, right, this is a fully designed process that starts from the bottom, and everything, the building, the people, the processes, are all designed to make sure that they actually work. And the end result is really, really good products that come out of Intellect Design.